Orang kan bila ladap ketom ke jongpi,
Next move.
Kaya next move ke jongpi tu pin join nang yang ini apa ke NPP ni.
Next move, you give me time. Maybe 1-2 months. Namar kan put kita jangan mentah. Then I'll call the press.
Atau because last time ni keren sa piong pi you're considering going back to education.
Yeah, I'll start writing actually. Jadi perkat jangan kelong dengan persang ban sedang nak ban again namar kan penmi tu kot. I have so many things to kawai ngakwa ban talk on the electoral behavior of the people, especially in area banga involving. There are so many you can who electorate who behave way to way so many things. Talk kata kawai talk ini the concept of democracy ke banga. Of course ngai nomor banga concentrate research on as Jenkins. It's the same. Kaba even in castles kaba nga kawai ni ke paper kaba the concept of gentile democracy. Long but the concept of democracy is not only a Greek concept. It is our concept. But Hagawainik seminar in 1972, a similar Hagawainik scholar Ulap, with carbon dating and all this, Ulap ba Giant Kingdom is way back to 5th century BC. Ladakum kita ki long ba 5th century BC, even Greek civilization also might be at that time. Tahrangi ngilong jengay na kamo Europe kani katay temdam betip Henry study ba the concept of democracy ni don lagi jong concept. But when only people kani ka kom tap vote nay, we have our own concept of voting. Nadok to por nila tap vote.
So, yes.
I want to go to coal because you are from that belt. Not working out. The scientific mining boys, the small time miners, they are totally opposed to it. What would you like to say?
You see, on this I would like to say like this. Sitting in Delhi and make a decision is very nice. But come to the field. I spoke again about the NEP. Yes, in paper, I met the education minister also. I discussed with him. Then he asked me to give in writing. I said, in paper, yes, everything is correct. But you go to the field, it is not like that. Even here also. Yes, NGT ban coal mining. It's okay for them. What about the thousands who are losing their livelihood? Thousands of people, thousands of families are losing. So come down, study it, and then you give your decision. But it's very easy to give a decision. For example, if you talk of pollution, well, it affected the environment. What about the pollution made by industries? It came out in the paper. If you remember in Hindus, there are lakhs of children who are dying of pollution-related disease in India. What are they doing?
So right now it is almost turning into a movement. People have started hunger strike also. Do you need there needs to be some intervention?
Intervention means the government have to take it up with the power concern and make those power concern realize that India is not only Delhi. India is also the village. India, you study the people. No, we do research. I cannot sit in Shillong and then write about what happened in Sora. I have to go down there.
So one more thing I want to take your views on. See this Lapangap issue. It has been going on for a long time. The government says something happens. Government says we are talking. After some time it happens again. Like you understand, they are not getting to cultivate. So how do you see it?
You see, the thing is like this. What I've seen it, until and unless we can solve this issue, while Hemanto is the Chief Minister of Assam, this issue will never be solved. I don't know till what year. The problem here is that you want to solve, everybody poke in their nose. Let them solve it. Had it been me, okay, you not allow me to solve, you solve it. Nobody will do it, and it remain like this. When I was small, at the time I was 8 years old, there was a mission in Tapat. So my father was contractor. He took me there. Actually, the boundary is not Lapangam, not Lakaroy, it is Tapat. Now Assam is coming, encroaching, and we are shouting in. I remember what Bibi Lundok said as Chief Minister. You are shouting in Yamusiang, you are shouting in Yaudo, but the people in the border are suffering.
So what about the JGC? It's because even the people of Lapangap are alleging that the JGC is being silent on this entire episode of clashes.
You see, the thing is, this is the only thing is, well, I don't encourage that. You have seen what happened in Nagaland, what happened in Mizoram. That's the only way. But the only thing is, if he's your son, you'll allow him to go there as a police. Now people are saying that why police? When do you go yourself? You see, police also human being, no?